Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on CLV. As in my earlier videos of CLV, I was showing you a very massive breakout from a big falling wedge pattern that was happened on the 7 days time frame chart. And this was one of those videos. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout from this wedge, the price line rallied very well. And from this low to here, you can see that CLV has rallied almost 500%, but got rejected by this long-term resistance of 15 cents that has been previously working as a resistance here and almost as a resistance here as well. And again, you can see that for a few weeks it has been working as a resistance, and finally the price line has broken down the next support. That was also a quite significant support of 8.5 cents. And by the way, during this rally, the price line also broke out this very massive resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. And now it is testing the upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud as a support. If the price then breaks down this upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud, and by the way, this support of upper bands is approximately at 6.5 cents. And if the price then breaks it down, then it can drop down here at this next long-term support of 5 cents. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you another very long-term support and resistance. And this is the uptrend line support. And this is the resistance, and you can see that this is a very beautiful formation of another broadening rising wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for CLV that I shared, by the way, on 23rd of December 2023 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal guardlet pattern that CLV formed on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup. This was the buying zone and the sell target zone and stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then started a very nice reversal from this buying zone. First, it again moved down and to the buying zone once again. And then we had a very nice reversal, and this was almost 62% pump only on this 2-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signal for you on the daily basis, and I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me take you to the live chart of CLV, and this is the 7 days time frame chart, and you can see that previously, since after the month of July 2021, it was moving inside this very big falling wedge pattern. By the way, after several ejections, after this drop in the month of May 2022, we found the support of the wedge here. And after getting squeezed inside this wedge, finally we found a very strong support zone here. That was between 3.5 cents to 2.9 cents. And when the price line was getting accumulated at this support zone in those days, I shared several videos with you, and I've been telling you that now the movement is quite squeezed inside this wedge, and we have found a quite firm support zone here. Therefore, now there is a very high probability that soon we may break out this falling wedge pattern. And you can see that after the breakout, we had almost 500% pump, but the price line could not break out this long-term resistance of 15 cents that has been previously working as a resistance here. And now, again, for a few weeks, it worked as a resistance, and at the same time, the price line has also being rejected by this uptrend line resistance of this broadening rising wedge pattern as well. You can see that whenever the price line is getting down from the support of this broadening rising wedge pattern, it is forming higher highs and higher lows as well. This time, if the price line will be moved up from this support and forms another higher than previous high, then it can also break out these resistance levels of 8.5 cents and 15 cents, and then it can hit this resistance of 30 cents as well. And at the same time, you can see that we have also broken out this very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud. Right now, the price line is testing the support of Ichimoku bearish cloud, upper bands resistance of the Ichimoku bearish cloud. And at the same time, it is also testing this uptrend line, quite long-term uptrend line support of this broadening rising wedge pattern as well. And if the price line breaks down these two supports, then it can drop down to the next support here at 5 cents. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this very huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, that is here at the top of the wedge. That can be between $2.60 to $3. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.